Ever wondered what one of Australia's biggest banks actually does for you, beyond just holding your savings? Think beyond the ATMs and tellers for a second. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Westpac to uncover the surprisingly wide range of goods and services they offer. For most of us, the first thing that comes to mind is probably banking basics. And you'd be right. Westpac offers a variety of transaction accounts designed for everyday spending, offering features like debit cards, online banking, and mobile apps for easy management of your funds. Whether you're after a low-fee option or one with extra perks, they likely have a solution. But it doesn't stop there. Need to save for a rainy day, a dream holiday, or that down payment on a house? Westpac has a range of savings accounts and term deposits with different interest rates and access conditions to help you grow your money. They also provide tools and resources to help you set financial goals and track your progress. Now, let's talk about the bigger things in life. Buying a home is a huge milestone, and for many Australians, it involves a mortgage. Westpac offers a wide array of home loan options, from fixed and variable rates to different loan features, catering to first home buyers, investors, and those looking to refinance. Their mortgage specialists can guide you through the often complex process. Beyond property, what about other borrowing needs? Perhaps you're looking to upgrade your car, consolidate debt, or finance a personal project. Westpac provides personal loans with varying amounts and repayment terms. They also offer credit cards with different rewards programs, interest rates, and benefits to suit different spending habits. Just remember to use credit responsibly. For those looking to secure their future, Westpac also delves into wealth management. This includes superannuation services, helping you manage your retirement savings. They offer various superannuation funds and investment options. Furthermore, they provide financial planning advice to help you make informed decisions about your investments, insurance, and overall financial well-being. This can be particularly valuable as you navigate different life stages. Speaking of insurance, Westpac also offers a range of insurance products to protect you and your assets. This can include home and contents insurance, car insurance, travel insurance, and even life insurance. Having these protections in place can provide peace of mind against unexpected events. But Westpac's offerings extend beyond just individuals. For businesses, they provide a comprehensive suite of services, including business accounts, business loans, merchant services for processing payments, and even specialized industry solutions. They understand that businesses have unique financial needs and aim to be a supportive partner for growth. In today's digital age, online and mobile banking are crucial. Westpac has invested heavily in its digital platforms, offering user-friendly apps and websites that allow you to manage your accounts, make payments, transfer funds, and access various services from the convenience of your phone or computer. They are continually updating these platforms with new features and security enhancements. Finally, it's worth noting that banks like Westpac also play a role in the broader financial system, facilitating transactions, supporting economic activity, and adhering to regulatory requirements. While this might not directly impact your day-to-day banking, it's a crucial function they perform. So, as you can see, Westpac offers a diverse range of goods and services designed to meet various financial needs, from everyday banking to long-term wealth management and business solutions. It's more than just a place to keep your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.